Hello and welcome back. Today we will show you how to make delicious and fluffy cinnamon rolls. In a large bowl, add 3 cups of flour, 1/4 cup and 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix all the dry ingredients. For our leavening, heat up 3/4 cup of milk. Make sure milk isn't too hot and add 1 packet of instant yeast. Whisk together until bubbles start to form. Make a small well in the center of your dry ingredients and add your warm milk and yeast mixture. Add 2 room temperature eggs. Add 1 stick of room temperature butter. Now begin to mix in all your ingredients. Mix until it forms a ball. You're going to want to knead the dough for 10 to 15 minutes. Now place in a greased bowl and cover until it doubles in size. Once it's doubled in size, knead for an additional 10 minutes. Now it's time to roll out your dough. For the filling, add 1 cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1 stick of room temperature butter, Now begin to combine until it forms a spread. Now evenly spread the mixture. Now begin to pinch in the dough, rolling from the longest side of the dough. Now cut into equal parts. Line a tray with parchment paper and place your rolls on top. Allow them to rise for 1 hour. In the meantime, let's make our cream cheese spread. You will need 1 bar of room temperature cream cheese and half cup of powdered sugar. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. For a runnier spread, add 1 tablespoon of milk and adjust to your liking. Once your rolls have doubled in size, bake at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. While they're still hot, add your cream cheese spread. Now they're ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in our next video.